1. Chronic constipation and sluggish digestion. This is where Arthur noticed the change first, and it is the most immediate effect you will feel. We are talking about that heavy, bloated feeling that seems to be a constant companion as we age. You eat healthy, you try to stay active, but your system just feels stuck. The reason this mixture works so effectively for digestion is not just fiber. It is about how that fiber behaves. Chia seeds have a high fiber content, but they also have a hydrophilic property. This means they love water. In fact, a single seed can absorb up to 12 times its weight in water. When you mix these seeds with liquid and honey and let them sit, they form a mucilaginous gel. This is the secret. Many seniors suffer from constipation because they are dehydrated, and adding dry fiber just creates a traffic jam in the colon. But this gel? It acts like a soft sponge rather than a hard broom. It moves through your digestive tract, gently sweeping away waste while keeping the colon hydrated. Arthur reported that for the first time in years, he felt light after 24 hours. The honey in this mixture plays a crucial role too. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut that are responsible for breaking down food. However, you must listen closely to this warning. Never, and I mean never, eat a spoonful of dry chia seeds, and then drink water. The seeds will expand in your esophagus before they reach your stomach. There have been medical cases where this caused a blockage that required removal. You want the expansion to happen in the cup, not in your throat. Always soak them. While this gentle sponge cleans your digestive tract, what this mixture does for the stiffness in your knees is what brings most people to this remedy. 2. Joint pain and stiffness. If you wake up in the morning and need a few minutes to unfold yourself because your knees and lower back are stiff, pay attention. Inflammation is the enemy here. The combination of honey and chia seeds creates a dual-action anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Chia seeds are approximately 60% omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. This is the fuel your body uses to lower inflammation markers in your blood, like the C-reactive protein. Think of your stiff joints like a rusty door hinge. The rust is the inflammation. You can force the door open, which hurts, or you can oil the hinge. The omega-3s in this mixture are the oil. They help calm the chemical signals in your body that trigger pain and bone loss. When you add honey, you are adding antioxidants that work on a different pathway to reduce swelling. It is a synergy. Arthur found that after a week, the morning stiffness that usually kept him sitting on the edge of the bed for 10 minutes had faded significantly. He wasn't running marathons, but he was walking to the kitchen without wincing. This relief is wonderful, but moving freely means nothing if you are too tired to get off the couch, which brings us to the third major benefit. 3. Chronic low energy. We all know that feeling of the afternoon crash. You eat lunch, and an hour later you feel like someone pulled the plug on your battery. This is chronic low energy, and it is often caused by unstable blood sugar and a lack of sustained fuel. Most seniors reach for coffee or a sugary snack. That is like throwing a newspaper on a fire. You get a big flame for 2 minutes, and then it burns out, leaving you colder than before. This mixture is different. It is like putting a slow-burning oak log on the fire. The chia seeds provide a perfect trifecta of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Because the fiber turns into a gel, it slows down digestion. This means the energy from the food is released slowly into your bloodstream over hours, not minutes. The honey provides the immediate spark. Because honey is a natural sugar, it gives you a quick lift. But because it is bound up with the fiber and protein of the seeds, you don't get the crash. You get a steady stream of vitality. You might find, like Arthur did, that you no longer need that second cup of coffee at 3 p.m. Having energy is vital, but there is a silent number inside your body that we all worry about, and this mixture addresses it directly. 4. High blood pressure. This is the silent worry for millions over 60. You go to the doctor and you hold your breath while the cuff tightens on your arm. The science behind how this mixture supports your blood pressure is fascinating. It comes down to the ability of your blood vessels to relax. Chia seeds are packed with minerals that are essential for this relaxation, specifically magnesium and potassium. But the real worker here is again the omega-3 fatty acid. Studies have shown that these healthy fats can help prevent the dysfunction of calcium and sodium channels in your heart, which is a technical way of saying they help your blood flow smoothly without high pressure. There was even a study showing that chia flour reduced systolic blood pressure in patients who had issues with it. However, I must pause here for a critical safety warning. Because chia seeds are so effective at naturally thinning the blood and lowering pressure. If you are already on blood pressure medication or blood thinners, you need to be careful. This mixture works. It works so well that it might make your medication too strong, leading to hypotension. You should talk to your doctor about adjusting your dosage if you make this a daily habit. Speaking of balance, there is another spike that ruins your health after every meal, and this remedy acts as a traffic controller for it. 5. Unstable blood sugar. If you ever feel dizzy, irritable, or shaky a few hours after eating, or if your doctor has warned you about your A1C levels, this is for you. Imagine your bloodstream is a highway. When you eat carbohydrates, they usually rush onto this highway like fast sports cars, causing a traffic jam. That is a blood sugar spike. When you eat pre-soaked chia seeds, that gelatinous coating acts like a traffic barrier. It physically slows down the enzyme activity in your stomach. It does not stop the sugar from entering your blood, but it forces it to enter single file, slowly and steadily. This reduces insulin resistance and helps keep your levels stable. The honey, while sweet, is better tolerated than refined sugar when taken in moderation because of this fiber buffer. But again, a warning for my friends on insulin or diabetes medication. This traffic barrier is powerful. If you take a strong dose of insulin, which acts like a powerful brake, at the same time you eat this mixture, you might stop traffic completely. This can lead to hypoglycemia, where your blood sugar drops too low. Monitor your numbers closely. Now that your body helps regulate its own energy, let's clear the fog in your head that makes you forget where you put your keys. 6. Brain fog and poor memory. We often joke about senior moments, but deep down it is frightening when you cannot find the right word, or you walk into a room and forget why. Your brain is largely made of fat. It needs healthy fats to repair itself and build new connections. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds, specifically ALA, are the raw material your brain is begging for. While more research is always being done, analysis suggests that these specific fats support cognitive function and focus. It is like changing the oil in your car. When the oil is clean and high quality, the engine runs smoother. Seniors who introduce this into their diet often report a lifting of that mental haze, feeling sharper and more alert. For this to work effectively, quality matters. You need raw, unpasteurized honey and organic chia seeds to avoid pesticides. If you do not have a local source for high-quality organic chia seeds, I have included a link to a trusted product in the description below, but any high-quality organic brand will do. Your mind is sharp, but we need a frame strong enough to carry it, which brings us to a fear that plagues many of us: falling. 7. Weak bones and density. Loss. As we age, our bones lose density. We become like dry twigs that can snap easily. We are told to drink milk, but many of us cannot tolerate dairy as we get older. Here is a fact that surprises most people. Chia seeds contain more calcium by weight than cow's milk. Just 2 tablespoons provide 18% of your daily calcium needs. But it is not just calcium. You need magnesium and phosphorus to actually bind that calcium into the bone, and this seed has all 3. Let's talk about Martha. She was terrified of ice in the winter because a slip meant a hip fracture. She started adding this mixture to her diet not for her bones, but for digestion. However, after 6 months, her density scans showed stability that she hadn't seen in years. The secret is the absorption. Because the gel slows digestion, your body has time to actually extract these minerals. Plus, the anti-inflammatory effect we discussed earlier prevents the breakdown of bone tissue. It is a double shield for your skeleton. Strong bones need good nutrition, and nutrition starts in the mouth. This mixture has a surprising benefit for your gums that you might not expect. 8. Gum inflammation and oral health issues. You might think that eating something sweet like honey is bad for your teeth, but raw honey is complex. It has strong antibacterial properties. In ancient medicine, honey was used to treat inflammation in the mouth and throat. It fights the bacteria that cause gum disease and bad breath. The chia seeds also play a role. They help scrub the digestive tract, which is often the source of bad breath, but locally the zinc and antibacterial properties of the honey help reduce gum swelling. When you take this mixture, don't just swallow it instantly. Let it coat your mouth for a few seconds. Use it almost like a mouthwash before you swallow. It can help soothe irritated gums and fight the bacteria that hide in the pockets of your teeth. A healthy mouth is great, but it won't help you if you are staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., unable to shut your mind off. 9. Poor sleep quality and mild insomnia. Sleep changes as we get older. We wake up more often and it is harder to fall back asleep. Pills leave us groggy. We need a natural way to signal the body that it is time to rest. This mixture contains 2 key ingredients for sleep: tryptophan and magnesium. You might know tryptophan as the thing in turkey that makes you sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner. Chia seeds are packed with it. Your body converts tryptophan into serotonin, and then into melatonin, the sleep hormone. Magnesium, which we found in the seeds, physically relaxes your muscles. But here is the pro tip. Timing is everything. Eat this mixture about an hour before bed. The honey provides just enough glycogen to your liver to keep your blood sugar stable through the night, preventing those 3 a.m. stress wake-ups caused by a sugar crash. It supports the body's nighttime repair cycle. While you sleep, this mixture does one more cosmetic miracle that you will see in the mirror. 10. Dry skin and dull complexion. Have you noticed your skin becoming like thin paper? Dry, flaky, and lacking that glow. You can put all the lotions you want on the outside, but skin is built from the inside. This problem is usually a lack of systemic hydration. Because chia seeds hold so much water, remember 12 times their weight, they release that hydration slowly into your body as they digest. It is like an internal drip feed of water to your cells. The honey acts as a humectant, which means it helps retain moisture. Combined with the omega-3 fats that strengthen the skin barrier, you are attacking dry skin from 3 angles. Women who use this regularly often report that their skin feels less tight and itchy, especially on their shins and arms, which are problem areas for seniors. The antioxidants in both ingredients also fight the free radicals that cause premature aging and dullness. Your skin looks great, but the most important cleaning happens inside your arteries. 11. Bad cholesterol and heart health. We spend so much time worrying about cholesterol. We want the bad LDL down and the good HDL up. Think of the soluble fiber in chia seeds like a sponge that you swallow. As it moves through your system, it binds to cholesterol and bile acids, dragging them out of your body before they can be absorbed into your blood. This isn't just theory. Studies have shown that the specific fats and fibers in chia can help lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while raising the protective HDL. The antioxidants prevent the cholesterol that remains from oxidizing, which is when it actually becomes dangerous and forms plaque. It acts like a gentle scrub brush for your cardiovascular system. Your heart is pumping well, but a constant tickle in your throat can ruin your day. 12, chronic cough, and throat irritation. As we age, we often develop a dry, sensitive cough. It might not be a cold, it's just irritation. Honey is one of the oldest and most proven cough suppressants known to man. It works by creating a soothing coating over the mucous membranes of the throat. This is called a demulcent effect. If you have that dry, hacking cough that won't go away, this gelatinous mixture is superior to water. The thickness of the chia gel combined with the honey coats the throat longer than a liquid would, providing relief from irritation. It also fights any low-grade bacterial infection that might be lingering there. We have fixed the parts, now let's build the shield for the whole body. 13. Weakened immune system. As we get older, a simple cold can turn into something much worse. Our immune system gets tired. We need reinforcements. This mixture is your daily shield. Both honey and chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, quercetin, camphorol, and myricetin. Imagine your body is a building. Every day, weather and wear and tear cause damage. These are free radicals. Usually you wait until a window breaks to fix it. Antioxidants are like a maintenance crew that walks around the building every day, fixing cracks before they become breaks. By reducing chronic low-grade inflammation with omega-3s and fighting off invaders with the antimicrobial power of honey, you free up your immune system to focus on the big threats. Arthur, whom we met at the beginning, found that for the first winter in a decade, he didn't get the flu that usually knocked him out for 2 weeks. His shield was up. How to make it? To get these results, you cannot just eat a spoon of dry seeds and chase it with honey. You must activate them. Take 1 tablespoon of organic chia seeds. Place them in a glass of water, about half a cup. Stir it well so they don't clump. Let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or better yet, overnight in the fridge. You want that thick gel to form. Once it is a gel, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir it in. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, or at night if you want the sleep benefits. Remember, drink plenty of water throughout the day. This sponge needs water to work. Otherwise, it dries you out. If you found this helpful, I have a whole library of videos on natural remedies for seniors. Click subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drink your water.